Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm V, Simply V at Home. Today I wanted to share with you my holiday entryway. This year I decided to do some things a little bit different. So I started out by gift wrapping my door. I just found a wrapping paper that I liked and wrapped the door. To cover the cuts around the locks and handles, I created a small wreath. Just added some embellishments to it and then hot glued it to the top of the wrapping paper. And then I had this wreath from last year that I got from Burlington. I believe it was $9.99, and it only had the silver grass on it, the pine cones, and the silver leaves. And I wanted to just put my own little spin on it. So what I did is I added the blue decor that you see and the sprays, just to give it a little bit of pop and to have it blend in with my other decor. As you know, I've done several projects now that have the blue ornaments on it, and it all looks cohesive. I really like how it turned out. It's so pretty. You can add any decorations that you want to make it your own. So it was plain, and I, just added just a little bit to spruce it up. I believe, I don't know if I said this already, but Burlington has these this year. If you want to pick one up, I saw it, and you can add your own little spin. Another thing that's new for me this year is these stacked gift boxes. I saw this on Pinterest and absolutely fell in love with it. What I did is I just took 4 empty boxes and wrapped them with wrapping paper. The bottom box has those rocks or pebbles that you get from Dollar Tree. I put a whole bunch of those in a Walmart bag, tied it up just in case the box got wet, and put it in the bottom box to give this piece some weight so it won't blow around. And then I glued the boxes on top of each other, and then I wrapped them with a ribbon. Now this bow was kind of it was fun to make, but at the same time it was different because all of the individual pieces that you see are glued on top of the box individually, so it's not one complete piece. I'm still working on how to create a beautiful bow. I'm looking at tutorials and things like that, but I just cut and glued until I got the look that I wanted. I think it turned out really pretty. Just something different, other than trees or something, or snowmen, and I really liked it. So let me know what you think. I did have a holiday mat that I picked up from Burlington as well. I'm still looking for a better one, but this one will do for now. But let me know what you think about the entryway in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and happy holidays to you. We will see you in the next video.